Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down until we will find the accounts and backup. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the backup data option in the Google Drive section. So let's tap, and as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this whole Google account section, so we can basically add the Google account or create new one. Of course, if you've got your account currently applied to the device, you will have to simply pick it from the list. If not, you have to go through all of the steps of adding the account with me. So let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. In this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So let's tap on next. And here we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on go or next, whatever. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup. This is for some reason this old way of showing us the information, but that's okay. Basically, we are able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. If you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So simply tap on turn on. And right now we've got the section, another section connected with the backup. So here you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. The backup using metered Wi-Fi data. To be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you will not be charged for accessing the limit of your mobile data, because the backup takes a lot of data. And basically, to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.